Welcome to DKS ANME. DKS ANME is a virtual entity for skill development of your inner capability enrichment, such a way that you can become confident, your conscious awareness getting increased, you can get a great opportunity to work with a positive aspiration to see the options and opportunity coming from the most ordinary and stuck in crying stage to a hopeful stage. DKS ANME is a virtual entity which will be working as an enablement partner for your life transformation, by which you will be able to learn the life skills, you will be able to learn how to set effective goal, you will be able to learn how to utilize your time, energy, money and other resources to create effective strategy to go step by step with a confidence, with the skill, with the enablement of self-rejuvenation process, such a way that you will be able to achieve your milestone, and by achieving the milestone you gain inner belief, stronger confidence and go with a bold step to achieve your dream destiny. DKS ANME focus on three basic principles. One is dream destiny. In order to achieve the dream destiny, you need to have a disciplined approach. You need to have the dedication. You need to have determination. You need to have the direction to define your destiny bigger, bolder, brighter, so that your goal will be attracting you, rather you will be pushing yourself hard towards the goal. DKS ANME provides special emphasis on discipline. Discipline is a number one approach which will break your comfort zone and procrastination. That means you frequently say, today is not a good day, tomorrow will do. Today is a beautiful day with a good food and let's enjoy. No. If you miss today, then you will be missing the opportunity to create a great journey for tomorrow. So right now is a great time to start keeping your energy draggers on. Keeping your energy draggers on to your sideline. Keeping your pathway really clear so that you can do something very special, which may be harder, confusing, frustrating today. But if you create a habit of winner, doing the same thing again and again, you will be able to see one day, with your positive attitude, with your high intelligent approach and outlook, you will be able to make sustainable and consistent success. Then there will be no need for you to go towards the success. Rather, success will become habit. Money will come automatically. Your faith and fame will come automatically. And you will be enjoying your life, being above the competition. And your special journey will ensure someone is very special. DKS ANME, as a life transformation partner of yours, will be installing the subconscious habit of disciplined approach. So discipline is number one. K is for knowledge. K is for kindness. You will be able to see how the various modern management tools which are being used in mindfulness, energy management, neuro-linguistic programming, you will be able to learn those. And then S is for skill. So converting the knowledge into practical aspect such a way that you will be able to see a wow result over the period of time. Remember, nothing breaks overnight. Nothing great is created overnight. Which is achieved overnight, it is not long lasting. Which is achieved over the period of time, the benefit is long lasting. So your disciplined approach, your kindness, your knowledge will be creating a great skill for your sustainable development. So keep it doing even it hurts. An Academy of Mindful Excellence. So DKA ANME. DKS discipline, knowledge, kindness, your sustainable development with skill implementation. An Academy of Mindful Excellence will be providing you a great journey to redefine your life, to redefine your success pathway, to redefine your strategy, to redefine your roadmap via planning. It will help you to break your respective. DKS ANME will enable you to learn 100 life skills. What are those? Few are effective goal setting, effective strategy making, effective planning and deployment excellence. It will help you to learn the skill like time management, conflict resolution, empowering your stress handling power, effective communication, and collaboration skill, cooperation skill, coordination skill, such a way that you will not be able to do something alone, but you will be inspiring others to associate with your big dream, and you can create a harmonized process to win together, to grow together. So DKS ANME will be your most favorable learning and enablement platform with your life skill development, analyzing your growth by measurement year by year, so that you are here and you will be reaching here with a sustainable growth. There is saying that nothing called failure, it is either winning or feedback. So how we can really learn from our mistake and be extra proactive, so that we can really enabling us to create a mindset of a winner and bounce forward strongly, so that we can define our resilience. That means external environment will have lots of ups and downs. Even the external environment is not favorable. With this skill development, you will be able to understand how to stay calm, focus, and strong, so that you will be able to get stronger response to the situation with your skill, with your confidence, with your stronger belief system, and thus you will be making a different outcome and your productivity will be enriched. DKS ANME will be your most favorable learning enablement platform, which will contribute your life transformation journey from most ordinary to extraordinary. Stay tuned, keep learning, and change your life by long-lasting transformation habit.